Then we are going to talk about the final part, that is control. So we are understood what is planning and what is the process of planning. The second one, planning for the accountant. Third one, control. uh, the nature and scope of control. Control system exists to support the achievement of organization. Very easy. Control part is very easy. Whether we can see whether we achieved. If we not achieve, whether we change the strategy or change objective or use the same strategy in a different way, right? That is the nature of the uh, control. Then they need to find reliable and systematic way of ensuring that all individuals are unit of business understand the goals and objectives within the overall direction of. Before we are going to do the control processes, whether we have to see whether strategy has been implemented properly. Otherwise, after control, we will come up with the strategy not implemented properly. We will implement that again properly. That is one of the control process. Before doing that, the double working. So first you have to ensure that whether that strategy is already implemented correctly and communicated to each and every person, and coordination are always in a proper way. Then resources are efficiently mobilized. Resources should be allocated properly. Then progress performance continually compare. If you want all the staffs to come in each day, so you have each and every month you have to check the staff attendance book. Check whether they continually come. If there are anyone not coming and without permission, you should give the no pay. That's a control process. After 1 year seeing is no use. You have to continue at least a 1 week, at least a weekly you have to see. Right? Very easy part is this in this subject. Then control. The control is an overall process whereby goals and standards are defined, performance is monitored and measured against the goals, and plan for achieving them, and corrective action is taken if necessary to ensure that goals are being accomplished. I already explained this. This can be shown in like the objective is there, plan and standards there, actual performance there, comparison performance with the plans and standard. On target, no corrective actions required. From this point, control is started. Right? These are not control. Right? So in this point control started. So on target, no connective action required if to achieve correctly. Then deviation identified. Then actual performance is to be will again see. Then control action to the actual performance is bad, right? Control action. What will be the control action if actual performance is bad? See whether strategy is not correct strategy we choose. We choose to go Jaffna from Colombo by the Uber Tuk, right? Uber Tuk is not good from Colombo to Jaffna, right? So can you use the three wheel to go this far? This long term way, it's long term trip, right? You should use the bus, at least train. You should change the. We will use this person. We will use the train to go Jaffna. So if breakdown in between road, so you stop and you should say no need to take another three wheel. We will take the bus. We will take the train. Engage. It's very easy, right? The plans and standards, we change the strategy. Use the plans and standard means we choose the strategy is already there, right? We changing strategy or use the same strategy in different ways. Right? We change the procedures and process within the strategy, plans and standard, right? Then very easiest topic is that. Then level of control, the strategic management, technical management, same thing. In each and every level we have to see the performance, right? Same thing. I already explained these things, right? Explanation is given here. Operational control, same thing. Then this is very important. Effective control system. We know effective objective as the SMART 5 item. Objective as the function of 5 prime. The effective control system also having the 6 A's, right? 6 A's. First A is acceptability. The control system should be acceptable by the people who are operating. If you take the control action, it should be acceptable by them. The strategy is changed. If you are using the car to transport a director, can you send the director through the bus? He will not text, I am a director, I can't go with the vehicle. Please order the another car. If this car is repaired, okay? Order the another car through the Uber Tuk, or the Gangar taxi, or Uber pick me. So he will not accept that. Acceptable, the accessibility, because that even though you say I will implement this strategy in this way, can it be achievable? You say you are recruited accountant and did the accounting works, right? You paying a small salary, then he did the wrong, and you say I will take the chartered accountant and do this works? You want the chartered accountant, you want the money to pay the salary to it. Can you pay the small business can pay the chartered accountant salary? Can't pay. You should accessible that. The adaptability for changing condition, it can be adaptable, right? Acceptability means acceptable by the people who we are controlling. Accessibility means it can be achieved, right? It can be taken. Adaptability means it can be adaptable. If you use the way from the candy, can you go with the aeroplane to the Puttalam? Cannot be adaptable, right? You can't adapt that. You can use the different land side vehicle, right? Land vehicle to go from there to there, right? Then action orientation. The action orientation, most of the time it's like this. If you take one strategy, that strategy may be wrong means you don't change the that strategy. You will give some sort of amendment to that. That's why it means if one accountant only involving in accounts department do the accounts in small companies happening. So if we doing the wrong things means he sometimes have the more works, load works. We don't need to change him and recruit a chartered accountant if it is a part qualified. We can give the accounts assistant. Accounts assistant strength both together and share the works. So time may be reduced and workload also reduced. That is action orientation. Give the correction action. Then appropriateness. We should give the correct appropriate resources allocated to that. For control system, so appropriateness of circumstances, skills, needs of the people operating it. Then affordability, the cost effectiveness. Affordability means cost effectiveness, whether that cost is good. If ERP system is implemented, our inventory system, I already told that supermarket, when we many items there, so reorder level of each item can be touched in any time, in any day. So we can't find that. So ERP system or EDI ERP system ERP system, that barcode system will identify the each and every other reorder level and creating the purchase order, EDI process, right? EDI in EDI technology automatically create the purchase order of the supplier. So that ERP system is cost, no, it's a costing, so more cost, more expensive. Whether we can take the ERP system first, right? Then control system, the types of controlling, there are 3 types, very easy. First one is feedback. Once given the customer, we asking the customer whether once you in the salon also, once you cut there is a paper. In many small salon no, but in big salons and i5 salons, in RC salon, some in the beauty parlor also, they having the feedback before after finish this cut. They are asking the customers comments whether this is good. Yeah, it's good, then we don't need to change. It's bad, we have to check where it went wrong, right? Then concurrent, second type, concurrent process control take place while process actually occurring. Then after cut the hair, he will ask the feedback, but during the cut the hair, he will ask, sir, this cut is okay, shall I reduce this? This during the process he asking. That's concurrent, parallelly ask. Then feedback, then feed forward. Third one, feed forward means after giving the service, we taking the commands, right? Then concurrent, second one, concurrent means parallelly giving the service, we asking the, is it okay, is this performance okay, this are you satisfying about this cut, shall I change this cut? You during the process. Feed forward means before happening that you use that. For example, take blade, you use the blade to shave the his beard, right? Once you shave the beard, 2-3 places you cut his face, right, in salon, right? But you don't know this blade is already damaged. If you know the already damaged, you will remove the, if you did the damaged blade, you will definitely cut. After the cut, you will definitely give the feedback, you cut my 3 points of my face, what did you do, and then he blame me. But if you did the, if you before do this shaving, you can change the blade and change the blade and shaving. So that is feed forward. We don't get the customer feedback. Experience with the our experience, we will implement that control process advancedly. For example, take when tiles is fixed in office, if water is fall in that tile may be slip. We have the experience, but before getting that experience by the staff, we know that if tiles, if water slip, anyone can slip in the tiles if water is there. So we will fix the carpet over the tile, right, cloth carpet over the tile. So if it is fix the carpet over the tile, it's a feed forward. Before getting the customer's feedback, we will most of the preventative actions are the feed forward. Most of the corrective actions are the feedback, right? Most of the inspection and the observation actions are the concurrent actions, right? So given in those explanation. Then technology and control, I am always saying technology is supporting activity, it is effective each and every area. Human resource also technology. So we are using technology for control purpose, right? Physical security there, information security there, data management technology there, centralized data, real-time data, production monitoring system, inventory tracking system, automated incentive system. Once the physical security system, we have to see whether attendance of the staff are correct. So physical entry, when staff come to the office, they have to keep their fingers to the fingerprint, the automatic attendance will be allocated. That is the physical security, right? That is one of the technology used to find the actually physically staff are come to our office. So physically they show their face or they show their card. Most of the company not using the card, finger and face are the main thing. So card can be taken by another person and fixed, no. So finger, you can't cut the finger and give it to another one and make the attendance me today, so I will make the attendance tomorrow and you will give the finger, your finger tomorrow. You can't say. But card can be changeable, card can be transferable, card can be given to anyone, right? So physical security best good is finger and face. The information security, limit and control access, in accounting system also sanction part and approval part, some part of the P&L balance sheet part are not given authority to accounts assistant. So there's information security, we can have the authority to each level, right? Then centralized data, most of the, I already told centralized and decentralized. Centralized means keeping the decision making power in the head office and allocating the resources to branches head are taking whatever the head office given directed. Head office direction or control are taken by the resources are taken by the branch. If we decentralize, branches are taking the responsible part of taking the decision, making decision, autonomy. They have the autonomy to make the decision. So each and every branch can work independently. The real-time data, ERP system is a real-time data. The production monitoring system, there are also the computer system there. Whether this product, once the nowadays for cut the garment, there is no person are using. Now computer cut the CAD, right? CAM, computer aided manufacturing, computer aided design. Design can be done through the computer. Manufacturing also done through the computer. The inventory tracking system, EDI processing, ERP system is the inventory tracking system. These are examples given. You don't need to learn this. Just have the idea. Accounting system. There is a accounting information system there. Control security system, physical security there. right? The automated incentive system, once the sales commission is automatically calculated in the accounting system nowadays. They have already given the formula. More than 20 million sales is achieved in the 1 month. Automatically they produce the sales commission and pass the journal entry also, right? So I think that our session is end. Thank you and good luck.